Welcome to Study Loop.
In problem 58, we're given 3 tetrapeptides to draw. One thing to note about a peptide, such as a tetrapeptide, is that it's basically a repeating unit, or it's a group of repeating amino acid units. So the formula is going to look like this. You have your amino end, central carbon, and your acid carbon. Those are all going to be connected for however many units long the chain is. So let's start with our first polypeptide. We have serine, alanine, leucine, and cysteine. So let's draw our main chain. It's a tetrapeptide, so we're going to do NCC 4 times. On this end is our amino end, so we'll put H2. This is our carboxylate end. Got our carboxylic acid. Got OH and doubly bonded oxygen. Each of these nitrogens is going to have a hydrogen on it. The first carbon, which is the chiral carbon, is going to have a hydrogen on it. Then each second carbon is going to have a double bond with oxygen. So there's our main chain. Now all we need to do is to add the side groups, which are unique to each amino acid residue. So for serine, the side chain is going to be CH2, OH. For alanine, it's just CH3. For leucine, we have a CH2, CH with 2 CH3 groups on it. And our final amino acid, cysteine, is going to have CH2, SH. So that's the structure for our first polypeptide. Now our second polypeptide is going to be glutamine, methionine, cysteine. Oops. Let's fix that. All right, we got cysteine, and finally glycine. So let's draw our main chain as before. Got our amino end, NCC, NCC, and so on, till we get all 4 amino acids there. And now we have our carboxylic acid group on the end. So let's get all our nitrogens. Got a hydrogen on each one. A hydrogen on each chiral carbon. Then every second carbon has oxygen attached. Now let's do our side chains. For glutamine, the side chain is a little longer than most of the others. We have CH2, CH2 again, a carbonyl group, C double bond O, and then NH2. So that's glutamine. Methionine, our second residue, has 2 CH2 units also. But instead of a C double bond O, you have a sulfur and then CH3 on the end. Our third residue is cysteine, which we've done before, CH2SH. Finally, glycine is the easiest one. It's just hydrogen. So this is the structure of our second tetrapeptide. Now let's move on to the third one. And this one is going to be glycine, cysteine, methionine, and glutamine. Pretty much the same as the last one, only it's flipped around, so the amino end is going to be on the glycine this time. So let's draw our main chain. And our side chains, for glycine, it's hydrogen. For cysteine, CH2SH. For methionine, CH2, CH2, sulfur, CH3. Finally, glutamine is CH2, CH2, C double bond O, and NH2. So this is our third tetrapeptide. It's the same as the last one, only we have different ends. This was flipped around in the last one. So that's how you draw polypeptides.